Ever since the day that you went away.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'd love for you guys to join. So for today's video, I'm actually filming a thrift haul because I went to 3 stores yesterday with Ivy and we did a little bit of thrifting. I actually did some damage. I found some pretty good things, so I'm pretty excited about that. First, I'm just going to start off with the little things. So I went to Ross, Texas Thrift, and Goodwill. So I actually got this candle at Ross. It's called Wild Tobacco. I wish you guys could smell it because it smells really good. But yeah, it just looks like that. It was $7.99. And I made sure to leave the tags and prices all on them this time so I could show. And then I think, I'm trying to remember where I got this one. Yeah, this one's at Goodwill. It even says on the sticker. But this was a coffee mug and it just says Galveston Island, Texas, and I got it for 99 cents. I thought it was really cute because if you know me, I drink a lot, like a lot of coffee. Iced coffee, hot coffee, any of that. And then I also got this one at Goodwill and I thought it was so cute. It's so little. It could be like a little tea mug, a little coffee mug. I got it for 99 cents. It's just this one. That's what it looks like. So cute. Just 99 cents. Alright. Now I'm going to move on to this hat. I actually got this hat at Texas Thrift and it was $3.98. Normally I wouldn't probably wear these type of hats, but I thought it would look really cute with one of my flowy dresses. So I just got this hat. It's in really good shape, like brand new. And it was $3.98. And then I just got this Slice of Life long sleeve shirt from Ross for $10.99. This is just what this looks like. I thought it was really cute. I love how it has like the little skeleton on there. And like I said, it was just $10.99. And then I got this shirt from Ross. It was $8.99 and it says Happy Trails on it. A lot of this stuff is oversized too. It just has that, and then on the back is what I really love. So cute. And it was just $8.99. And then I got this plain gray shirt, and I got it from Texas Thrift. And it was only $1.98, and I plan on bleaching this shirt, so that's why I got it. Just always nice to have a little plain shirt. And it was $1.98. And then I thought this one was so cute, and it was so cheap too. It's a really good deal. It's Champion brand, and it says Ballad Joint Base. And it's so cute. Has the cute little sleeves on it. And it was $3.99, and I believe I got this at Goodwill. I'm not sure if the price is showing. And then I just got, okay, so this shirt is actually for Taylor, and I believe I got this one at Texas Thrift. And it was $1.98. He likes Rick and Morty, so I thought it would be a good shirt for him. And then I found these Levi pants, and I'm so excited about these because I'm going to revamp them because I really don't like how pants are like this. I wanted it to be more like, I don't know, more cuffed up at the bottom, rolled up and frilly like. So I got these pants. Just some Levi's, pretty cute. I'm very excited for these. And they were only $5.99, so $6. And then I got this oversized flannel. I thought it was so cute. It's filled in stream. It's a large. and it was only $5.99. Oh my gosh, and this is like the best find out of everything. And it was so cheap too. I got this Dickies like raincoat jacket thing. I don't know, it's super cute. And it was really cheap. Like that. It has buttons down it. Really cute. And then it has like in the front another little Dickies logo. And I got it for $11.99. Which I thought that was pretty good. And then, oh my gosh, I got this shirt from Texas Thrift. It says, "Backwoods beer cooler, bring your own cup, drink responsibly." I thought it was really cute. And it was 99 cents, so that's pretty good. And then for the last thing, I just got this other oversized tee, and it says Lone Mountain Ranch, Big Sky, Montana. I thought it was cute just because it had that little print logo thingy on it. It's just a nice oversized tee. And then it was only $1.99. $1.99. And yeah, that's it for the thrift haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I had really fun yesterday thrifting. If you don't know, check out Ivy's channel. I'll have her channel linked in the description. She's also a military wife. It was fun hanging out with her. We met up for the first time. But yeah, that's it for my thrift haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll also have my Instagram linked down in the description. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe and comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!